Hello, good morning. It's a beautiful day. Today, Cosie is going back to the dentist to get her teeth fixed, and they are putting her completely out, like full anesthesia, IV, everything. It's gonna be good. So, we're gonna get her ready. We have to be there at 8:30 in the morning. We have like 45 minutes to get there. And Desmond's awake. Everyone else is just laying in bed. Cosie can't eat anything. So I've been like on the fridge, on the pantry, because she can't eat. Okay, let's go make her get out of bed. It's Cosie and Nick.
Boy, good day, buddy. Boy.
I brought it for you.
I know.
I got two.
You got two now?
Why? Why?
All right, let's go to the dentist.
Help me in there. Help me. See?
Show the camera what you got. A tooth?
Yeah.
So it all went good, and now we're just waiting for her to wake up. Did you come to see your sister? What's she doing in there? Oh no, where are you going? Oh, be nice to her. She's sleeping. Oh gosh.
Did she wake up?
Not yet. Hey, go stop it. Oh gosh. Desmond. You need to be good. We're just waiting for Cosie to wake up. Be nice to her.
Hi, we're all awake. She woke up instantly. I had to grab her. Want to hold it? Oh, okay. Now we're gonna go pick out a toy. They came in and she woke up instantly. I had to grab her. Yeah, and show them your coin. You got a coin so that you can go and pick out a toy? Yeah. You want to? Oh, we want ready to go?
Let me see, Mommy.
You can walk? Are you sure?
Cosie? Cosie, are you all done at the dentist? You're all done? Did you have fun? You want to just go home?
Where's my basketball?
I have it. Oh, you have it! It was down there?
It's in my bum.
Yeah! It was in your bum? You crazy boy. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Say ah. You see your silver tooth? You see it? Is it so pretty now? Uh-oh.
I got my tooth.
You got a pretty silver tooth.
No, I eat.
Oh, right there?
up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. What's a fire and what?
Where's Cosie? Hello! We have begun the process of packing and moving and slowly getting from here to our new house. So right now I'm in my apartment and I have been packing while the kids have been sleeping. So I've done all of this so far, but we're just doing this slowly, a little bit at a time. We're not even gonna rent a truck. We don't have that much stuff. We're still pretty minimalistic from our traveling, so we don't have too much stuff. And so we're trying to keep it as simple as possible so that there isn't just like one huge day. We're doing it like every time we go up to the house, we take some boxes. So that has really been working out so far. And Nick's there right now painting. I'll give you guys an update on the house pretty soon. We've gotten new carpet, a new stove, a new kitchen faucet, and Nick's been painting the whole house. So that's all happened since the last time you saw it. And I think that's all. But we should be in there hopefully in the next week. You know, I always say that, but it's probably more. So we're just slowly doing it and trying not to make it stressful. So far that's working. But I think the next clip you're gonna see is of the house. So tell us what you think of how it's looking and if you like it. Okay, I just wanted to give you a quick update on the house. This is my cleaning hair. That's what I've been doing for the past 3 hours, cleaning this house. So I'll show you what Nick's been doing. The kitchen is almost clean, guys. Almost clean. Okay, quickly, up the stairs. So Nick has primed most of all of this. As you can see, we've got some paint colors coming up. This is just the primer. Ooh, it's hot up here. So this room used to be this blue, and it will no longer be that. Nick has done the quick coat of primer. Primed right there. And we've primed the brown room. Remember, it used to be the color of the ceiling. Now it's not. So it's coming along. And I think in the master, he has also started to prime. So it looks good, guys. Gross, look at this. Gross. Gross. Okay, but it's coming along. I cleaned a bathroom today. I cleaned the fridge today. I cleaned the microwave. And I cleaned the dishwasher. And mostly the fridge took up most of the time. It was really bad, but I'm gonna show you. Look at this. Ah! See it glisten and shine? Okay, wait. Clean, clean. This used to be black. This used to be black. These used to have multiple items of food. Oh! It's clean, guys. And clean. It's coming along. Like, I was going to pay for cleaners to come. It was gonna be almost $500 to clean this whole house under like deep clean category. And I just didn't. So I'm slowly doing it. It's getting better and better, but we are gonna get a new stove because it's so dirty, and also everything else is stainless steel. And we did clean the sink. Look at this, guys. So clean. We still have not gotten our faucet yet. Still works. All right, that is the update on the house. Nick paints most of the evenings, but he gave me this evening. He has the kids. Cosie had her teeth done today. You probably saw that in this vlog, but I am going home, so peace out. Goodbye.
Come on, guys, dance.